Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn about data structure. Before starting, I like to ask this question: why do we actually need this data structure? For that, I'll take you through multiple examples. Don't worry. So first thing, answer me this. Suppose we have the list of 10 students. We have the 10 students' names. So what do we do? How we store it? How we organize it? It's the primary question that comes in our mind, right? How we do this? We can use variables. There are multiple ways to do this. The first thing, those who know the programming might be thinking the variables, like the basic one, a is equals to 12, or in this case, name 1, some name, like name 2, XYZ, name 3, ABC, something like that. But this is very time consuming when the data becomes much larger. So for example, what if we have to have that list of all the users in our Instagram? It would take a lot of time if we do this in this process. So that's where data structure comes into the picture. So I'll give you another example. For example, if you have observed here, there is, imagine there is a room and it's filled with all clothes. It's full room filled with all your clothes, all your family's clothes, and you are in a hurry to go to some function, and you are trying to find this semi-formal or formal wear, and you want that particular cloth in your mind. But when it's in the pool, it's all messy, right? It's messy data, it's a chaos. So how do you find it? Is it going to be easy task? No, right? We have to have lot of patience and lot of time to get that particular cloth. Similarly, the problem, if you have observed the problem here, it's not about the hall, it's not about the data itself, it's about organizing. We have not organized the clothes in a particular way so that we can get everything in order. So the problem is what? Organizing. So this was the problem statement. If you have seen elderly people or someone, the parents or something like that, they will always be telling you, be organized in your life. How to be organized in your life? To be organized in your life, we have to have a structure, we have to follow the structure. Similarly, for data also, to make the data organized, we need what? Data structure. It's as simple as it is. So I wish I could show you my messy room here to make this feel more relatable, but anyhow, let's move forward. So I gave you just an example of the messy room and the clothes all over the place, and this example, right? So let's move ahead with the, actually computer also faces this problem. Imagine you throw all the data in one place in a computer, it's hard to find it, right? So that's where the data structure come into the picture. Similar to the clothes example, we can give multiple examples like bookshelf and kitchen items. Everything is organized, right? To get better access to things that we want. So similarly, we do deal with a similar kind of problems in computer as well. For that, we have data structure. But there are so many data structure out there, right? In that, mainly, we can see, you must have heard about this array, linked list, tree, hash table. So you must have heard about it. I'm just, in this video, I'm just giving you the overview of it, so that whenever these things appear in examination or in any competitive examination, these example will help you to understand their nature, because once we understand the nature, things will fall into the place. So why do we have these many things to organize? Because we are dealing with different kinds of data, different kind of problems. For that we have different kind of data structures. So let's go one by one. So what is array? What does this do? What does this do? It's very simple. Just imagine there is a bookshelf. Imagine a bookshelf. This is bookshelf, right? So this is a bookshelf. Imagine. Yes, my drawing skills are very bad, but nevertheless, this is the bookshelf we have. So what does this do? Like, we keep the books, right? If you go to the library, everything is properly organized. So we are seeing the book rack arrays just like this. You know, what does this give us? Now, what problem it's solving? We are able to access it very fast, and it is very easily organized in an orderly manner. So that, because these are all books, we are not seeing any other item, any other kitchen items or any other materials other than books. We are only seeing book in bookshelf. Just keep it in your mind. I am going to explain everything in great detail in upcoming videos. So this is the bookshelf, but what's the problem that we might face with this? So it's fixed, right? The thing is, it is fixed. We can only store what? 4. Now I want to add fifth one. It is somewhere in between the third place or something like that. It will become challenging for us to, place anything in between. So that's the primary drawback of this array. So that we have another thing. But it has fast access. If we want third book, we can directly access it and take it out. Yeah, we will go to next thing, that is linked list. Name itself is same. It's linked, right? So what is linked? Imagine a train. Both, I mean, again, both might look very similar. Both might look very similar, but imagine this is train. And what does the train have? What does the train has? It has the compartments. It has the coaches. So each coach is connected to another. Similarly, just keep this in your mind. Each coach, each compartment, each section has information to the next one, next section of it. So this is the main goal of the linked list. Everything is connected. But the problem with this is, to access anything, to search anything, we have to count from head. This is head. This is head. So from here or here, we have to count. We have to go, for example, we have to access this one, so that we have to count 1, 2, 3. Again, it's time consuming compared to this. So keep these things in your mind. Example especially. So coming to next one, tree. It's what is tree? Tree is very easy, right? Family tree. You must know this, right? Family tree. This is grandfather, this is father, this is uncle, etc., etc. Whenever a relationship branches, then we see tree. The main funda of it is hierarchical in nature. I'll write this family tree so that you keep this, it will become easy for you to follow. So the thing is, it is hierarchical in nature, because I have written here, it's, imagine this is grandfather. From grandparents, we got our parents. From our parents, we were born. So this is how the tree acts. It's very fun. Whenever there is a relationship branch, so then we use tree, right? So for hash table, we can just imagine this dictionary. Dictionary. What does dictionary have? For example, if you have to find a word in a dictionary, what do? Do you go through all the pages, or do you see the index? You see the index, right? Then you go to the related uh, letter, starting letter. So that's the whole fun of this hash table. This is not exactly like dictionary, it doesn't act like dictionary, but it will become easier for you if you understand the concept through this. So that's why I'm writing here. So this is the overview of the fundamental data structures that we have. We have other than this, we have stacks, queue, double linked list, etc. So we will go through those things in upcoming videos, but for now you understand these fundamental things so that upcoming videos becomes easier for you. So in the next video we will discuss about array in depth. So thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.